Are you ready to create a K-12 comprehensive computer science plan? I'm Avni Dyer. Let's start by assembling a team on today's pop-up practice, building a team for a K-12 CS plan. Pop-up practices, where practice makes progress, Season 3. Creating a K-12 comprehensive CS plan can be an overwhelming task. Script is a tool you can use to guide your team in creating a plan. SCRIPT stands for Strategic CS for All Resource and Implementation Planning Tool. This is a framework to guide district and LEA teams through a series of collaborative visioning, self-assessment, and goal-setting exercises to create or expand a CS education implementation plan for your students. Like every initiative a school addresses, the success is strongly dependent on a strong team. For a plan to be successful, we have to identify early adopters. The following people should be at the table. A district or LEA leader. This person has the insight on the big picture of the district. They make decisions regarding implementation of district-wide plans across schools. For example, the superintendent or CEO, assistant superintendent, or curriculum coordinator. A building leader. This individual has the best understanding of the types of professional development teachers need, the school culture, family engagement, and community partners. 2 or more educators that will teach or are currently teaching CS. These are people who deliver CS education to students. They develop lesson plans and implement them within the classroom. They also maintain classroom culture. They are or will be your CS experts within the team. The next team member is often overlooked. A school counselor can be thought of as a gatekeeper into CS courses. It is imperative that they are part of the conversation. They inform students of opportunities to engage. They are individuals who go through course offerings, internships, and career explorations. Providing proper language and confidence to these individuals is vital in ensuring a sustainable CS comprehensive plan. 2 other individuals are often left out of the conversation regarding CS, and they are the special education and English learner educators. Include these team members from the start. They will help ensure that students with disabilities and our English learner students aren't unintentionally excluded from participating in CS courses. As you assemble your team, aim to include representation across all grade bands and schools. Altogether, this team is capable of creating a sustainable, strategic, and comprehensive K-12 CS plan. You and your team can attend a script workshop to develop your plan. Fill out the form included in the description below, then a CSMPA patent team member will be in touch with you to connect you with a facilitator. If your LEA has completed a script workshop, fill out the same form to request information about an annual script workshop for your team to review and refresh your CS plan. Thanks for joining me on today's patent pop-up practice, where practice makes progress. Produced by Kat Zimmerman and Shannon Evans. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more.